Hi, this is Dean Cardinell with Worldwide Trekking, and in this next video I'm going to talk about the clothes that you need to wear on your lower body for your trek to Mount Everest Base Camp. So you're going to need a few different types of pants. Obviously when you travel over to Kathmandu, just some comfortable travel pants for just around Kathmandu before and after your trek. If you want to wear your trekking pants, that's perfectly fine there as well. And then on your trek, you're going to want a couple pair of pants. In the lower portion of the valley, again, it's going to be warmer. Some people prefer a trekking pant, a lighter color type trekking pant that is going to be a little cooler just because it's not dark color and hitting the sun as much. This kind of trekking pant also zips off if people wanted to wear shorts. I personally don't wear shorts on the trek. Keeps my legs cleaner from the dusty trails and things like that. But just a comfortable pair of trekking pants. Obviously you don't want your pants to be so tight and constricting that when you're doing high steps up in different areas and walking along the trails that it's uncomfortable. Just add to the fatigue that you feel throughout the day. So a nice comfortable pair of walking and trekking pants, a lighter color, a lighter layer for the lower valley. As we get up a little bit higher in the valley, darker colors fine, lighter colors fine. You want to be able to have a pair of pants that maybe is a little bit more of a soft shell material. They can be a little bit stretchy, but also just a little bit more of a soft shell. It's going to be a little bit warmer for trekking up in the upper portions of the valley. With both pair of pants, you want to be able to wear a pair of thermal underwear, just a lightweight pair of thermal underwear. Oftentimes people's legs don't get cold when they're walking as much. If you have your boxer shorts on or underwear on, and then a pair of thermal underwear like this, and then a pair of pants, you're going to be quite warm. You also want to have a pair of shell pants, a pair of rain pants, a pair of shell pants, not insulated, just a thin shell Gore-Tex style pant. And that way, again, you could layer. In the upper valley, if it was cooler, you could wear your thermals and your shell pants. Or you could be wearing your trekking pants, either pair, and put your shell pants over top. Layering is key. If you're hiking along, if you're in the upper valley and you start out in the morning and the clouds build, and towards the end of the day the wind might pick up a little bit and we have some rain coming on or something like that, or any kind of weather, you could put your shell pants on. It's a good idea if your shell pants have full length side zips, and that way you don't have to take your shoes off, and you could just slip them right up over the top of your pants and be comfortable. And then lastly, you can have a second pair of thermals. These are a little bit heavier, and it depends how your body temperatures run. I mean, if you wear a little bit heavier thermals under your trekking pants on a cooler day, that's gonna be good. Or you can just go for the triple system. A lot of times the second pair of thermals that might be a little warmer are also comfortable to wear in your sleeping bag in the upper valley if it's cooler and you're cooler at night. I like to bring a pair of sweatpants, just a regular pair of sweatpants as well. And when I get to the tea house lodge at the end of the day and I've got all the clothes I've been trekking in all day, I can clean up, I can take my trekking pants off and put on some warm sweatpants and my puffy jacket and be comfortable around the tea house. You're not going to really walk in sweatpants, but they're just for the evening time around the tea house, or to sleep in and help you be comfortable at the tea house at night. Okay, I hope this video on the clothes that you need to wear on your lower body for your trek to Mount Everest Base Camp helped. Subscribe to our channel or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.